best just got better. The new G2 is designed and engineered to pick up better and comes with great new features. The amazing new touchless dirt tray makes for true hands-free cleaning. Now you can empty it and never touch the dirt. That's right, one click and it's empty. Then just set it down and you're ready to go. You'll also experience the new Backsaver elbow joint that allows you to clean under furniture without bending. When it comes to low furniture, other sweepers stop short, but not the G2. One click and it reaches into areas that most other sweepers can't reach without bending down. The new and improved super sliders give a whole new meaning to cleaning. They slide and glide on any surface without any effort and without changing any settings. Unlike vacuum cleaners and other sweepers that only go back and forth, the super sliders slide in any direction and pick up in places where other sweepers can't. Add the 360-degree swiveling head and quad brush technology, and the new G2 is the best there is. And when it comes time to store it, the G2's magnetic storage latch folds up so it takes up less room than a broom. Just hang it up out of the way, store it in a closet or in any small space. And now with the new non-slip rubber tip, you can lean it and leave it. Other handles fall to the ground and leave scratch marks, but the new G2 won't slip and it doesn't scratch.